Off-road adventures are all about the journey, but managing tire pressure can be a real hassle. That's why I'm excited to introduce the EasyFlate Air Command, a game-changing device for anyone who's serious about overlanding and off-roading. In this video, we're going to take a look at its features, test it in real-life conditions, and see if it's worth adding to your gear lineup. The EasyFlate Air Command is a digital tire inflation and deflation manifold that allows you to precisely control your tire pressure with ease. Here's what you get: a sleek touchscreen LED display, automatic inflation and deflation with pressure, presets, and compatibility with a wide range of compressors. Setting up the EasyFlate Air Command is straightforward. That's how to set it up. First, connect the hoses to your tires, then attach it to the compressor. Finally, power on the device and set your target pressure. After using the EasyFlate Air Command, I can honestly say it's a game changer. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures I have the right pressure for any terrain. Whether you're a seasoned overlander or a weekend warrior, this device simplifies the management, giving you more time to focus on adventure. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the EasyFlate Air Command. First, the pros. It's fast, accurate, and easy to use. The touchscreen is a great addition, and the auto air technology takes the guesswork out of tire adjustments. For cons, the initial cost might feel steep, and you'll need a compatible compressor to use it, but for serious off-roaders, it's a worthy investment. Overall, the EasyFlate Air Command has earned a spot in my overlanding toolkit, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to simplify their tire management process.